So here you can see here AI image generator. Just click onto it. Here you can give a prompt like what exactly you want to draw. I just have to do something like a small pit bull puppy holding a paintbrush in it. This is something relevant to the prompt that we have given. Hey guys, welcome to Just Apps once again. My name is Adarsh. Today I will be talking more about free AI websites that will help you generate stickers. Okay, basically if you have a kids at home, or if you want to use it for your flyers, or if you want to use it on your bag or your apparels, you can use these free AI tools to generate stickers. I'm going to talk about 5 popular websites from the listicle, so they are most popular among the many. So here I have already logged into a site called fodder.com. You can see here the interface looks like this. So what you can do is here you can see a lot of features available here. Just spend some time understanding what exactly it is and what features are available and how you can use them. Okay, so that will be really helpful. But as of now, for the purpose of this video, we're talking more about creating images and how we can generate stickers. So that's all I'm going to do now. So here you can see here AI image generator. Just click onto it. It will direct you to image generator. Here you can give a prompt like what exactly you want to draw. So what I'm going to do is red panda. I'm going to type in like red panda holding paintbrush in the mouth. Okay, so this is the prompt I give, and this is free to use, so you don't have to worry about any credits. However, if you want some additional features, you can buy the subscription plan, so that way you get more additional features to use. So that's all there is to here, and you can choose the theme here. Here you can spend some time understanding what it is. So there are a lot of themes to choose from, so I'm not going to choose anything as well. I'm going to keep it as it is, default settings. But if you have any specific themes in your mind, you can select them. That's all I'm going to do. As of now, I think it is going to keep it as realistic as possible. So just go here and click on generate. You can see here there are 8 free credits, so this is going to consume 2 credits. You can see here how it has turned out. So all you have to do now is you have to just download here, and if you want to explore something more, you can go here. If you just hover over it, you can see here the option will pop up. If you click on edit, you can see here you get the option to crop and background. If you want to remove the background, you can remove, and you can magic eraser. If you want any unwanted thing to remove, you can do that. On image to image, you can upload an image and turn that image into something else. Okay, so in the previous video I talked about some applications that will help you generate interior designing ideas. Okay, so there I discuss how image to image generation works. If you want to understand more about it, please refer to that video. As of now, I'm not going to cover that, but however, I'm just going to download this image. Here you can see the final printer. If you have it, you can just go and print on. And also if you want to remove the background and keep a border here, that also you can try. So you can see here, I'm just going to download this one. If you want, you can download it. So I have you to pause the free credits here, so I'm unable to download. But as of now, you can just be aware of how to use these applications. Okay, so every day you get to do this. And if you want additional features, you can definitely buy their membership plan to avail additional features. So that's all there is to know here. The second one on the list is Pixart.com. So this is also similar to Fodder, but here you can see some more advanced features. That is, these are the free to use. If you just scroll down a bit, you can see this option called to try now for free. Okay, so you just have to click here. So it is very straightforward approach. You just have to sign up to their account, create an account by giving your email ID and password. So this is the interface, this is the layout. If you just spend some time in understanding what features are available, it will be really easy to create. If you just come down a bit, you can see here select style. So you can see there are a lot of options, pencil, hollow, pattern, and there are other options like cartoon, pop art. So I'm going to keep it as pop art. So what I need to do is I just have to do something like a small pit bull puppy holding a paintbrush in its mouth, and model I'm not going to choose much, so I'm going to keep it as it is. You can see here. So if you want any other model, then you have to buy their subscription plan. So that is the thing about it. So if you're using the default one, that is model 1, so it is going to generate photorealistic images and also illustration, sketches, those kind of things, and also styles. You can see here what styles are available, so you can choose any one of them. So that's it. Now what you have to do is you have to click on generate. Here you can see the pricing option, what things are available for free and how you can use it to your advantage. Every day you get at least free, these things are available. AI writer 20 credits, you can get it. For AI replace, if you want to replace any particular object, you get 3 credits. And for image generation, you get 3 credits, which means you can generate 3 images per day. So that is the limitation it has. So every day you can generate 3 images. So that is under the free plan. So these are the other plans. So that's it. I'm gonna close it now. Here you can see here, and this is something what I expected. So this is better. So I'm just going to go ahead and download it. If you want to view it, you can do that. You just click onto it. You can see here how it has turned out. So I gave a small pitbull puppy holding a paintbrush in its mouth. Okay, so this is something relevant to the prompt that we have given. We cannot say the same about this particular image. If you want some more realistic images, you can try multiple times. Okay, so that way it will be really helpful to bring your idea into reality or more accurate images. And here you can see the option called upload. So what you can do is here you can upload an image and you can create image to image generation. Okay, that you can do. Okay, in the previous video, like I said, I have discussed about this in many other videos as well. So I just wanted to show you what options you are going to get it. Okay, you can remove the background. You can see there are a lot of tools and you can draw as well. If you just click on it, you can see here, you can choose any of the brushes available here, and you can just, if you want to write something, you can do that. If you want to draw something, you can do that. Okay, also you can erase it if you want to after drawing. That's all I wanted to highlight here. And if you want, you can add any extra elements as well. Any elements available here, you can add them. So that's all about this particular website called pixart.com. Another one that is called LightX. So this is also similar to other two AI websites that I discussed previously. Here you can see after signing up, you get at least 10 free credits that you can use it. This website really helps you to generate more accurate images. I have already used up one free credit, so I'm going to show you in a second. Here you can see here sticker maker. You can click on it directly. Device, I can turn any image into sticker. Okay, so what I can do now here is I can click on auto. So let's see, it is going to turn this into a sticker actually. So then we can directly download it, or if you want manually, you can click on it. What you'll get to see what options you will be able to edit it. Okay, so what we can do here is if you want to do it manually, you have to select like this. Okay, so if you want to this particular area to be covered into sticker, you can do that. Okay, you just have to use your mouse cursor. You can see these are the options you get. Magic error, and you're going to select only that part and turn that image into sticker. If you want to add brush, if you want to add some paint, you can do that. And magic brush, smart erase, you can see all of that. It has turned my image into sticker. You can see here I don't do anything, but this is what I wanted. Okay, just want to remove the unwanted things. See the object of the image that I had in my mind. So this is going to be a sticker. Okay, now I can directly download here. If you want it, you can download it. Easy to download. If you want it in JPEG format, you can do that. Or if you want PNG, this is available only in the paid version, so that you have to buy the subscription plan. So check it out how you want it. And if you want to generate through text, you can do that. So here you can see a lot of options. AI tools. You can choose any of the models available here, and you can use AI image generator to generate. Okay, and now the next one on the list is OpenArt.ai. So here also you get to generate free images. So what you can do is, after signing up, this is the interface, and you get like 20 free credits. So, and this is the default model you can see here. Unfortunately, if you want to use other models, you will have to buy their membership plan. So once again, some models are easy to use. So as of now, I'm not going to select any of these. So I'm going to keep it a default one, that is this one, OpenArt SDXL. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go back and I'm going to give a prompt like a little girl holding a puppy. So that's what I wanted to generate now. Let's see how it comes. So there are other options you can see here. There is a negative prompt, means you can add something that is unwanted. Okay, you don't want any unwanted thing to generate. So if you want, you can add it here. But also here you can see here there are other options, image to image generation. You can upload an image and once again give a prompt to modify it. And also pose reference, means if you want to say I have uploaded an image of a person and I want it to turn it into something else, as like the person is giving a different pose. So that's the thing about it. And also you can see here composition reference, the color grade, the ambience of it, all those things. Okay, that you can try here. And also style reference, you can see here. These are the aspect ratios available here: square, landscape, cinema. I'm going to keep it default. So that's it. Click on create now. So earlier I tried something like a little boy eating watermelon. Okay, so this is the image it generated. So just click on this zoom button. You can preview the image. This is cool and this is what I expected it to be. So I'm going to download it. Let's see this as well. You can see here I can directly download it. Okay, so this is not going to consume any extra credit. And let's make the final one, that is Artguru.ai. So here also you get like about 10 or 15 free credits. So what you can do is you can use ChatGPT to generate images. Okay, this is what I tried. Various models available here. So I'm going to click on landscape. Okay, so I'm going to keep a landscape. What I'm going to do is here I'm using ChatGPT to generate prompts. I gave a prompt like write 15 cool prompt ideas to generate sticker for kids. Okay, so this is the output it gave. So these are the prompts it generated, and this is really very precise when it comes to writing prompt. Combine space themes with animals like astronaut cats and alien dog, and design set of friendly colorful monsters with big eyes. Don't want to create stickers of kids. So I'm going to use this one, robot word, copy, and I'm going to paste it here. So this will be really helpful if you don't know what exactly you want to generate. So we can use ChatGPT to your advantage once again. And also there are other options like you can upload image to, you can do image to image generation by uploading an image and then use the prompt. Okay, and this is the aspect ratio. These are the aspect ratios 1:1, 2:3, and the last one is 3:2. Okay, and these are number of images you can generate. So this is going to generate 2 images as of now. Okay, I'm just going to click on try. If you want to explore any other models, you can just go through these references, and that will be helpful. And you can check the prompt here if you want to know what prompt have been used to generate this image. So you can just refer these prompts. So here you can see this is amazing, right? You can see here. Okay, you can go ahead and download it if you like it. You can make it as your favorite and share with the community. So that's it. I'm just going to download it. Okay, so I like this one. So that's it, guys. So it is in the landscape mode. Okay, so I selected this one, landscape, and I gave a prompt like design a series of cool and quirky robots with unique features. Okay, so this is a robot that I generated. Okay, so what you can do is you can just download it and you can move the background as if you want it, or if you just want to go ahead and generate stickers, you can directly print it. Okay, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video till the very end, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon so when I upload a new video, you'll get a notification. Thanks for watching till the very end. See you in the next video.